比如说连着3-4天可能都一个人待在家里，然后没有人说话的话，可能是会觉得蛮孤独的，就是太孤僻了，就会有这样的感觉，就会担心自己变得太孤单、太孤僻。
Definitely important to live around friends. These are people I've built relationships with, and it's nice to know that they're not too far. I couldn't imagine living anywhere else.
不会去幻想有那种很棒的同学啊，有那种老师带着你做不同的项目啊，然后还会去幻想就是更加充实的那种生活。
When you are close with your neighbours and whatnot, you can be there for them, and they're there for you. But that's how it's like here. I think my mum made coffee, you know. Don't know if you lot like it. I don't like it. It's too strong.